If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
So in this video, I'm going to give a quick demo about the brand new plugin which I developed called SuperKey. So SuperKey is a JMeter command center. So basically you can do almost anything from the command center. So instead of navigating between the right-click context menu or toolbar icons or using the typical menu, instead of navigating via that, all you need is press the shortcut, add the relevant elements and get started with your scripting or execution. So you can do almost anything in JMeter, starting from adding the elements, even the bulk adding, and also you can run your script. So how do you get started with? By installing the plugins manager, or you can download the jar and keep it in your library/ext folder in JMeter. So by default, it will have Control K in Windows and Command K in Mac OS. Of course, you can override it. And also you can do a search and hit enter. It will get automatically added to your test plan. And also it's a context aware. It doesn't add wherever it wants. It follows the JMeter rules. And you can also use the command center to start the test, stop the test, validate the test, and so on. And also you can configure the custom shortcuts using the aliases. For example, if you want to add thread group, you can just configure TG and so on. And also I have some surprises embedded in this plugin. You can just explore it by yourself. Now let us launch JMeter. So as I said earlier, if you want to create a simple smoke test, what you do is you just right click, add the group, again right click sampler, again right click accession, and so on. If you are new to JMeter, again you have to do this a lot, or you can just go to options, SSL manager, again menu, or you have to click the toolbar and so on. It's time consuming. We were wasting a lot of time. How to create JMeter test plan, how to design JMeter test plan in 2026. So now let me just click on new and hit no, and let me launch plugin manager and let us search for SuperKey under available plugins and apply changes and restart. So this will download the jar and keep it in your library/ext folder, and it is launching right now. Once it is done, now let us create a new test plan here. So now by default, as you know, it's Command K. So once you hit Command K, you will get this beautiful command center where you can type the desired element or component you want to add. For example, say let us start with thread group and navigate between up and arrow key and hit enter. It will be added immediately to the test plan. Now I need to add HTTP request. So if you type request, it will list out all the requests. So now I want to add, say, I don't know, some 5 HTTP requests, and just hit enter. It will automatically gets added pretty quickly. And if you want to add, say, accession, so again just type accession and just hit enter. And if you want to say, I want to reach SSL manager, right? This SSL manager. So like this, you can pretty much do almost anything in using the command center. Instead of navigating via the right clicks or the menu, you can do it. And of course, you can run the thread group as well. So this will run the thread group. So before that, let me add a view results tree and Command K and run again, and let us just overwrite. And of course this doesn't have anything, so let us add something, qainsights.com, and let me also delete these and Command K run TG. And as you see here, it is automatically executing from the command center. So you can do anything in this command center. So if you want to overwrite, copy the properties, configure it, and restart JMeter, everything will be done. So please let me know in your comments how you can leverage this and how much time you are saving. And as I said earlier, there's a Easter eggs which I embedded here. For example, say if you type JMeter rocks, you'll get this particular animation. And similarly, I have a lot of other stuff added, so please check it out. and let me know if you face any issues. Thank you. Have a good day.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.